Speed up Windows 11 without extra software. Windows 11 is a powerful operating system, but over time it can slow down due to unnecessary settings and background processes. The good news? You don't need third-party apps or expensive upgrades to make it run faster. By tweaking a few built-in settings, you can significantly boost performance. Here's a fun, easy-to-follow guide to speed up Windows 11 like a pro. If your PC feels sluggish, don't worry, you're not alone. Windows 11 comes packed with features, but some of them can drain system resources. Follow these 10 simple tweaks to make your computer run faster. Number 1. Disable startup programs. Every time you turn on your PC, some apps launch automatically, slowing down boot time. To fix this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Startup tab. Disable unnecessary programs by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Number 2. Adjust power settings for performance. Windows 11 balances performance and energy efficiency, but you can prioritize speed. Open Settings, System, Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, select Best Performance. Number 3. Turn off visual effects. Fancy animations look great but can slow things down. To disable them, press the Windows key plus R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter. Go to Advanced, Performance, Settings, and select Adjust for Best Performance. Number 4. Uninstall unnecessary apps. Unused apps take up space and resources. To remove them, open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Click on an app and select Uninstall. Number 5. Free up disk space. A cluttered hard drive can slow down performance. Use Storage Sense. Go to Settings, System, Storage. Enable Storage Sense to automatically clean up temporary files. Number 6. Disable background apps. Some apps run in the background even when you're not using them. Open Settings, Apps, Startup, where you can toggle off permissions for apps you don't want launching automatically. Number 7. Optimize virtual memory. Windows uses virtual memory when RAM is full. Increasing it can help. Press Windows plus R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter. Go to Advanced, Performance, Settings, Advanced, Virtual Memory. Increase the page file size. Number 8. Disable unnecessary services. Some Windows services aren't essential for everyday use. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Find services like Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. To prevent it from running automatically, you need to change the startup type to Disabled. Here's how. Open Run using Windows and the R key. Type Services MSC and hit Enter. Find the service you want to modify. Right-click it and select Properties. In the Startup Type drop-down, choose Disabled. Click Apply and OK. This ensures the service won't start again after a reboot. Number 9. Manage search indexing. Windows indexes files for faster searches, but it can slow things down. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, Searching Windows. Select Classic Mode to reduce indexing load. Number 10. Keep Windows updated. Updates include performance improvements and security fixes. Open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install the latest version. Bonus tip: Under Windows Updates Advanced options, make sure you select Receive Updates for other Microsoft products. By following these 10 simple tweaks, you can make Windows 11 run faster and smoother without installing extra software. Stay safe, stay secure, and whether you're a beginner or a tech-savvy user, these steps will help you boost performance effortlessly. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.